Good morning, students. In previous class we discussed about the cylinder and we discussed about three formula for cylinder, that is volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h, curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h, and the total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r in bracket h plus r. Today we take some questions based on cylinder and solve it. Let's see. We take some NCERT question. The circumference of the base of a cylinder of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height 25 centimeter and its height 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, find the volume of the cylinder. This is your question. Let's see. The circumference of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, now let's see. We know that the shape of the cylinder in this way, and the base of the cylinder is the form of a circle, and here the circumference of the base of the cylinder is 132 centimeter. Suppose that let r be the radius of its base, okay, and let h be the height of the cylinder. Okay, then h is given by what? 25 centimeter, and here the circumference of the base of the cylinder, that is 2 pi r, is given by 132. So that is 2 into the value of pi is 22 upon 7 into r. We find the value of the r now. So 2 pi r into 132. So let's see, 44 by 7 into r is equal to 132. That is r is equal to 132 into 7 by 44 na. Now after solving it, let's see, 11 4 the 44, 11 1 the 11, 11 2 the 132, and we divide 12 by 4, that 4 3 is the 12, that is 7 3 is the 3 into 7, that is 21 centimeter. Now in this way we get the radius of the base of the cylinder. Okay, and your height is 25 centimeter. Now we find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, since we know that volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h, so we put all the values in this equation. 22 by 7 into r square, the value of r is 21 square into the value of h is 25. So let's see, v is equal to 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 into 25. So 7 3 is 21. So v is equal to 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6 into 21 into 25. So the volume of the cylinder is 34,650 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder is 34,650 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, let's see once more time. In this question, because we know that the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, for finding the volume of the cylinder, first of all we have the value of radius r and the height of the cylinder. In this question, height is given but radius is not given, but here the base of the circumference of the base of the cylinder is to be given, and we know that the base of the cylinder is circular form, and we know that the circumference of the cylinder is circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 132. After solving that part, the value of r is 21 centimeter. Now we have the value, we find the value of r and h. In this way, we apply the formula for volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square h, putting all the values in this equation. So we get the volume of the cylinder, that is 34,650 centimeter cube. Okay. So dear students, first you solve. Now you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Okay, now we take some other questions based on cylinder. Let's see. Okay, now let's see next question of your NCERT. The radius and height of a cylinder. Let's see next question. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio in the ratio 5:7. Okay, the radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio of 5:7, and its volume is its volume is 550 centimeter cube. 550 centimeter cube. Find its radius. Find its radius, and we take the value of pi as 22/7. This is given in your question. Okay, now let's see. The radius and height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7, and its volume is this. Okay, we find its radius and we take the value of pi as 22/7. Okay, let's see its solution. First of all, let the radius and height of the cylinder are 5x and 7x respectively. Okay, because of here, according to question, the radius and the height of a cylinder are in the ratio 5:7, so we take radius as 5x and height as 7x respectively. Okay, and volume is given, that is 550. Volume is given, that is 550 centimeter cube, and we find the radius of the cylinder. Since we use the formula for volume of the cylinder, that is pi r square into h. The formula for the volume of the cylinder is V is equal to pi r square h, and the volume of the cube is 550. So 550, this is 22 by 7, and the value of r is 5x, then 5x square into, and the value of height is 7x. So here we put 7x. Now let's see, 7 and 7 cancel to each other. So what we get, 550 is equal to 22 into 5 5s are 25x square into x. Okay, let's see. Now x cube is equal to 550 upon 22 into 25. Okay, after transform, the value of x cube is equal to 550 upon 22 into 25. Now we have the value of x cube is equal to 550 by 22 into 25. Now 11 to the 22, that is 50. Okay, 25 to the 50, 2 by 2, that is 1. So x cube is equal to 1. So the value of x is 1 unit. Okay, the value of x is 1. Now what we find? We find the radius of the cylinder. So the radius of the cylinder is 5x now. Now the radius of cylinder is 5x, and here the value of x is 1. So we put x is equal to 1. 5 into 1, that is 5 centimeter. This is your answer. Okay, so dear students, you can solve that type of questions in this way. Okay, now we take some other questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Okay, let's see. Let's see next question. Next question based on cylinder. If the lateral surface area of the cylinder, this is your NCERT question. If the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter cube, sorry, centimeter square. Area is always in square unit. Okay, the if the lateral surface area of the cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square, and its height is 5 centimeter. Find first point, radius of base. Radius means radius of the base of the cylinder, and the second one, volume of the cylinder. Second one, volume of the cylinder. Okay, and in this question we take the value of pi as 3.14. Let's see its solution. In this question, the lateral surface area of the cylinder is given. So first we write given value. Lateral surface area of is 94.2 centimeter square, and we know that the formula for and its height is given as 5 centimeter, and we find the radius of its base, and we find the radius of the cylinder. Since we know that the formula for lateral surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h, okay, and according to question the lateral surface area is given by 94.2. so here we put 94.2 is equal to 2 pi, the value of pi that is 3.14, we find the value of r, and here we put the value of h, that is 5. So let's see, we get the value of r is what? 94.2 upon 5 to the 10 into 3.14. okay, let's see, if we divide 94.2 by 10, then we get what? 9.42 upon 3.14. okay, let's see, decimal and decimal cancel to each other, then what I get? 942 upon 314. Now let's see, if we divide 942 by 314, we get what? 3 times 3143 is 942. okay, so the radius of its base of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. The radius of its base of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. This is your one answer. Okay, here we solve its first part now. Here first part is solved. That is, the radius of the base of the cylinder is 3 centimeter. Now we find the volume of the cylinder. Let's see. Second part we solve it. Since we know that volume of the cylinder is pi r square into h. The volume of the cylinder is pi r square by pi r square into h. So the value of pi we take as 3.14 into the value of r we find 3. So here we put 3 square into, and height is given as 5. So let's see, 3.14 into 3 is 9 into 5, that is 3.14 into 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Okay, now we multiply 3.14 into 45, we get as 141.3. We get 141.3 centimeter cube. This is your answer. Okay, so you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on volume of the cylinder. Okay, now we discuss about next geometrical figure, that is cone. Okay, now you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Okay, we discuss all the formula for cylinder, and we solve so many questions based on cylinder. Okay, so you can solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on cylinder. Now we take next shape of solid, that is cone. Okay, and we discuss about the cone, and we discuss some formula for cone, and we take some questions based on cone. Okay, let's see. Now we discuss about right circular cone. Okay. Picture are साफ आ रही है image. Now we discuss about the right circular cone. Right circular cone. Okay. First of all, let's see the shape of the cone. Okay. Okay. So dear student, this is the shape of the cone, like a birthday cake and the cone of ice cream. The shape of cone of ice cream and the birthday cake is the shape of the cone. Okay. And in this cone, this is the base of the cone, which is circular, and OA is the height of the cone, and the radius of base, that is OC, let us take, is R, and this is the slant height of the cone, that is we denote it as L. Okay. Here H is its perpendicular height, R be the radius of the cone, and L be the slant height of the cone, and the angle COA is always 90 degree. Okay. From figure OA is equal to L. This is the height of the cone, and OC is equal to OB, each equal to R, which is the radius of the base of the cone, radius of base of the cone, and AC or AB is equal to L. This is the slant height of the cone. Okay. Three variables in that figure, that is, first is H is its perpendicular height, R be the radius of the base, and L be the slant height of the cone. Okay. Now let's see its formula. Now we discuss about its formula. Okay. The first formula is volume of cone. The volume of the cone is 1/3 pi r square h. This is the formula for volume of the cone. Okay. Second one, curved surface area of cone, CSA, that is curved surface area of the cone. Okay. And the curved surface area of the cone is pi into r into L. This is the formula for curved surface area of the cone. Now third one is total surface area of the cone. The total surface area of the cone is curved surface area plus area of its base. Okay. Area of its base of the cone. Let's see. The total surface area of the cone is, curved surface area is what? Pi rn plus area of its base. The radius of its base is r, and the base of the cone is circular, so the area of circle is pi r square na. So here pi r is common, then what is left in that brackets? L plus r. This is the formula for total surface area of the cone. Okay. Now last, very most important relation between H, L and R. Let's see in the diagram. Here AOC is right angle triangle. Triangle AOC is a right angle triangle. So we apply the Pythagoras theorem, that is perpendicular square is equal to base square plus height square. So let's see, in triangle AOC, AC square is equal to OA square plus OC square. That is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So the slant height is L. So L square is equal to H square plus R square, or we can write L is equal to square root H square plus R square. This is the relation between height, slant height, and the radius of the base of the cone. Okay, so dear student, this is the formula for cone. So first you remember all the formula of the cone, then after you solve the questions of your NCERT exercise based on cone. Now we take some basic question based on cone, based on these formula. Let's see. Let's see the question based on cone. The diameter of the cone is the diameter of the cone is 14 centimeter and its slant height is 9 centimeter. Find the area of its curved surface. Find the area of its curved surface. This is the question. In this question, the diameter of the cone is 14 centimeter and the slant height is 9 centimeter. Find the area of its curved surface. See, छोड़ो सर, आ रहा है ना बस, अभी सही है. Here the diameter of the cone is there 14, that is 2, diameter is 14, so radius is what? D by 2, that is 14 by 2, that is 2 7 the 14, that is 7 centimeter. 7 centimeter is the radius of the base of the cone and slant height L is what? 9 centimeter. And we find the curved surface, that is curved surface area of the cone. We find that. Okay, and we know that the curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Okay, so the value of pi is what? 22 by 7 into the value of radius is 7 and the value of its slant height is 9. Okay, now let's see. 7 cancel to each other, so 22 into 9, that is 198 centimeter square. This is your answer. Okay, so dear students, you can first you learn all the formula for cone, right circular cone. Then after you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise based on right circular cone. Okay, today we solve some questions based on the cylinder and we discuss about all the formula of right circular cone. Okay, which is very important for you. And here we solve some basic questions of cone. First you learn all the formula of the chapter volume and surface area. After that you solve all the questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, and we discuss the fourth formula. Volume of the cone is what? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, curved surface area of the cone, that is pi rl, and the total surface area of the cone what? Pi rl plus 2 pi r square, and the relation between h, l and r all discussed in that class. Thank you.